Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we're going to do a pour with an ice tray. Please excuse the mess. It's been cold and my paint has been taking longer to dry than normal, but I'm just going to add to it and then peel it off later and it'll be awesome. So, like I said, using an ice cube tray. First channel I think I saw this on was Christina Welch's, so go ahead and check her channel out and subscribe if you haven't. I'll put a link down in the description. She's awesome, trust me. And so I have some red and gold pre-mixed paint here from another pour that I did. I'm going to go ahead and use that. Changing my mind. Okay, I mean I am, but first I'm going to use white. And I'm just going to fill these ones because this is just an 8x10 canvas. I have no idea how much paint these things will hold. Anywho. Do not use the one out of your freezer if you try this project. Go to the dollar store and pick up some stuff there. You don't want to waste your ice cube trays. I got these a pack of 2 at the dollar store, so pretty good deal. We're getting some blue in here. Alright. I don't know if you guys can hear, but it is super windy today. I'm going to add a lot more white. I don't think I'm actually going to add black. I was going to, but I don't think I'm going to. And no yellow. So we're not going for rainbow. I feel like this is enough paint. I guess we shall see. I'm going to go ahead and flip it. Flip cup this. I don't know. I don't think this lays flat, so I don't think this is going to work. Hold on. Well, okay, maybe it will. That was I was like expecting it to just explode everywhere. I really hope I have enough paint. I mean, I would kind of assume that these are all like, seems like a ½ ounce. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ounces. Theoretically. Here we go. Whoa. Oh my goodness. That is unexpected. I'm just going to let it drain out of here for a minute. I definitely have enough paint. Probably more than enough, it looks like. Plus, this could now be a work of art. Alright, let's go ahead and tilt. Look at that crazy lacing on there. That's awesome. Yeah, definitely more than enough paint. So, anyways, this is exciting. It was one of those, I have no idea how this is going to turn out. It could either be awesome or it could be super horrible. But oh my goodness, I am loving this. I don't think I'm going to tilt more. I think I like it like that. I'm going to kind of just hope that there's not too much paint on there. But man, some amazing lacing. And we got some cool cells popping up there too. I'm really glad that I have my lowly Veffe mat under here because all this paint is awesome and I can peel it off when it's dry and use it in other projects. So, very excited about that. Cool. As you can see, just as I'm talking here, cells are popping up. I did use gold in here and metallics can really help with cell production. Let's let this sit here for a bit and then we'll come in for our close-up. Okay, we're back. I really love this, you guys. Just the lacing in here is amazing. Got fun cells popping up here. Digging the color combo with the darker red and the gold. So let's go ahead and do our close-up. Here we're starting with the lower right-hand corner. Love that red. And going up to the upper right-hand corner, you can see all that lacing cells coming up through here. Just tons of lacing. Over to the left-hand corner. And then down, I think this is my favorite section, the lower left-hand corner. I mean, look at this lacing with the gold. Look how amazing that is. Just super duper pretty. All right, I will definitely be doing more paintings with the ice cube trays. If there is a specific color combination you would like to see me do with the next ice cube tray, put it down in the comments and I will definitely keep it up for consideration. Otherwise, I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you like my page, my Facebook page if you haven't already. And I will see you guys next time.